little beach walk, Campbell River, just a few blocks from where I'm staying. So beautiful out today, no rain. It's nice to come out here without having to put rain gear on and bundle up so much. Yeah. Oh, there's so many birds. Crows, herons, eagles, seagulls, and just tons of different seabirds. And yeah, so beautiful out. I can't believe I've been here for a month. It still feels semi out of body experience, and a lot of moving around, going from place to place. I totally feel completely nomadic right now. And with my 23 kgs of stuff, I've managed to lose a pair of tweezers and my nail clippers and a spool of linen thread. I don't know where those things went, but they're no longer with me. And it's incredible how quickly you can accumulate stuff. So, yeah. The plasma cycling has been as usual. I don't know what I would be doing without it. It's been a massive change from 1 month ago, coming from Luang Prabang, Laos, to Campbell River on Vancouver Island. 36 hours later, completely different climate and everything changing. It was a way more emotional departure than I had kind of anticipated. Actually, the last 4 months has been just the most extraordinary months that I've experienced in my life almost. And yeah, towards the end of my time in Luang Prabang, I realized that I probably wouldn't be able to sell all of my belongings. And a dear friend of mine, Anuka, wow, she really came through for me. So basically walked through the farmhouse and collected 23 kilograms of things I wanted to bring with me, and it's really interesting to reflect back on that now and see what that was. And yeah, gonna lighten up more actually, and going into a very nomadic state of being, super light for the last portion of this, well, for the continuation of this journey. Collecting the plasma is something to manage when you're shifting around from location to location. I've been staying on Vancouver Island and then hopping over to Quadra on the weekends mostly to see friends and stay with friends there, which has also been interesting. It's been a real lesson of accepting where everybody's at and giving space to everyone. I thought I would connect with people, some people a bit more deeply, and it didn't turn out that way. And just accepting that with love and kindness and gratitude. And and really grounding into those that want to connect. It's been a really beautiful experience, a really beautiful time. And it's so crazy to be back somewhere where you've spent so much time. One of my friends was like, "Oh, it must feel so good to be home." And I kind of had to laugh because it really doesn't feel like that. Although wherever I'm at, I call it home. And yeah, wherever I am in my body, that's where I'm home. Yeah, so I feel at home everywhere I go. That is the only way I can really function. Coming back to Campbell River and getting my hands on my grandfather's family history book has been super interesting also. Speaking of home, and it was kind of warming in a way to read that my great-grandparents never really called any place home. They were so nomadic that they never really had a place they called home. And I really can relate to that big time. So I'm not alone. Yeah. It's beautiful down here today. I'm going to take a little bit of video of the crows here in the beach. Oh, they all went away. There's a real mix here of like sand, rocks, bigger rocks, driftwood. This is Hernando Island here. Oh, wait. No, it would be there. This is actually the mainland. If you're going to Desolation Sound, popular spot, that would be right through that. There's a little entryway over there. That's Quadra Island. It's a Cape Mudge lighthouse. And I took some pictures and some video from the cliffs at the south end there of Quadra. And my friends Christine and Huguette, they have a place just on the other side of the south end here. Spent some beautiful time with them. Okay, ciao for now.